Mophie 3-in-1 Travel Charger. Now let's talk about a must-have accessory for every tech-savvy traveler, the Mophie 3-in-1 Travel Charger with MagSafe. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or simply navigating your daily commute, this versatile charging hub ensures that all your devices stay powered up and ready for action, no matter where your adventures take you. At the heart of the Mophie 3-in-1 Travel Charger is its innovative design, which provides dedicated spots for your smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with ease. Whether you're topping up your iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods, you can trust this charging hub to deliver fast and efficient charging that keeps pace with your busy lifestyle. So whether you're a frequent flyer, a digital nomad, or simply someone who relies on their devices for work and play, the Mophie 3-in-1 Travel Charger is the ultimate charging solution for all your needs. With its MagSafe compatibility, wireless charging capabilities, and compact design, it's designed to keep you powered up and connected wherever you go, so you never have to worry about running out of battery again. So why wait? Stay charged and stay connected with the Mophie 3-in-1 Travel Charger. Nanoleaf Line Squared. Create a stunning lighting setup with the Nanoleaf Line Squared color-changing LED bars. These innovative modular bars offer RGB illumination in a unique form factor, boasting over 16 million colors and dynamic lighting animations. Use these bars to add a modern, artistic touch to your bedroom, living room, or gaming setup. Advanced features like the Rhythm Music Visualizer and Screen Mirror provide immersive experiences. Installing these bars is a breeze with adhesive mounting tapes. No tools required. Elevate your lighting game by transforming music and movies into a visual light show with Nanoleaf Line Squared. Revoxen meet Revoxen, the revolutionary standing desk with an integrated docking station, 1x SSD slot, and 8 terabytes of storage. It features multiple ports and connections for all your devices. Adjustable for everyone's ideal working environment, Revoxen will transform your workspace and your posture. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency with its sleek design and ergonomic features. Whether you're working on a big project or just need a space that adapts to your needs, Revoxen has you covered. Elevate your productivity and create a healthier work environment with this cutting-edge standing desk. EazyMaker Mattress. Make changing sheets easier than ever with the EazyMaker Mattress raising system. This innovative gadget helps you lift your mattress effortlessly, allowing you to change sheets without the struggle. With an 800-watt air pump and 1 mm flocked PVC bladder, the system gently lifts your mattress, enabling you to remove old sheets and fit new ones without strain. This minimizes back and muscle strain and makes the process quick and painless. If you forget to lower the mattress, it automatically lowers after 8 minutes. Operate the system with ease using the wireless remote control. Say goodbye to awkward lifting and painful tucking. Govee Glide Wall Light. Next, let's brighten things up with the Govee Glide Wall Light. This isn't just any light, it's a way to transform your space into a work of art. With 520 LED lights and a smartphone app that lets you create endless patterns and designs, your options are limitless. Choose from over 86 ready-to-go scenes, or sync the lights to your music for the ultimate party atmosphere. Installation is a breeze with G4 hooks, seamless nails, or VHB gums. Imagine turning your room into a glowing masterpiece, perfect for relaxing evenings, parties, or even focused work sessions. The Govee Glide Wall Light adds a vibrant and dynamic touch to any environment. PhonePad, looking to boost your productivity? Check out the PhonePad, the world's first portable monitor compatible with all smartphones and computers. Studies show that having a second monitor can save you up to 13 hours a week in productivity. With a 15.6-inch diagonal display, USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack, it's incredibly versatile and slim at just 5 mm thick. Imagine being able to extend your screen real estate wherever you go, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, traveling, or simply want to enhance your home setup, PhonePad has got you covered. Improve your efficiency for $269. UMind Mirror wearable tech just got a major upgrade with the UMind Mirror. This innovative device allows you to see your brainwave activities in real time, track your meditation, and monitor your focus levels. Imagine being able to see how restful your sleep was or how effective your meditation sessions are. With a battery life of 10 hours per charge and a charging box providing an additional 60 hours, the UMind Mirror is perfect for those looking to optimize their mental and physical health. It's a powerful tool for anyone interested in mindfulness, productivity, and overall well-being. Velaflame Smart Candle Light Bulb. For a unique lighting experience, try the Velaflame Smart Candle Light Bulb. This flameless candle fits in any light bulb socket, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. With 3D flame effect technology, it looks almost indistinguishable from a real flame. You can connect it to Amazon Alexa or Google Home for voice commands and adjust brightness and color for the perfect mood. Create a warm, inviting space anywhere with Velaflame. Vaonis Hestia smartphone-based telescope. Experience the universe up close with the Vaonis Hestia smartphone-based telescope. Hestia transforms your smartphone into a smart telescope, bringing the cosmos to you. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it's easy to use and provides detailed images with up to 5 times the resolution of a smartphone. Enjoy magnification up to 25 times, a 6-lens optical design, and compatibility with current and future phones. Rolling Square AirCard Apple Wallet Finder. Keep your wallet safe with the Rolling Square AirCard Apple Wallet Finder. This sleek 2.5mm slim gadget offers Apple Find My worldwide tracking. It easily fits into your wallet and provides RFID blocking technology and 2.5 years of battery life. With a 105 dB speaker, left behind notifications, and an NFC digital business card, it's a winning gadget that makes your life more efficient and stress-free. SANDMARC Telephoto 6X Lens. Calling all iPhone photographers, say hello to the SANDMARC Telephoto 6X Lens. With its 6xe optical magnification and premium multi-coated glass, this lens allows you to capture stunning, detailed shots from a distance. Whether you're shooting landscapes or wildlife, the Telephoto 6X lens will help you unleash your creativity. Peak Design Mobile Tripod, struggling to get your phone in the perfect position? The Peak Design Mobile Tripod is here to save the day. This slim phone accessory acts as a phone case and a tripod, allowing you to mount your phone effortlessly. Whether you're cooking, doing yoga, or just watching TikTok, this tripod is the perfect solution to keep your phone steady and hands-free. With the Peak Design Mobile Tripod, you'll never have to worry about propping up your phone again. Its sleek design and versatile functionality make it a must-have for anyone who uses their phone regularly.